Do you want to see something different in your desktop or laptop computer's background? Then you can change it and we will show you step by step on how you can do that. Now firstly, if you're using your Windows 11, right-click on an empty space on your desktop, click Personalize, click Background, select a background type whether it may be picture, a solid color, or a slideshow. Now depending on your choice in the previous step, you will be able to select a photo, a color, or an album to see as your background. But if you're using Windows 10, you can still right-click on an empty space on your desktop, click Personalize, click the drop-down menu for background, then depending on your choice in the previous step, you will now be able to select a photo, color, or an album to use as your background. So that's how to change your desktop wallpaper in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.